Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina, and today I have a handbag unboxing. I recently unboxed the Clementine from the horse, and as soon as I got that bag, I fell in love with it. I have been using it every single day since, and then I fell in love with a few other bags on their website, of course. If you're not familiar with the horse, I have a video talking a little bit about them. There's a ton talking about the Clementine bag all over YouTube. So I won't go too in depth about the brand now, but really I was impressed with the quality for the price and the designs. They don't have a ton of designs, which I love. I think they're really well curated, and there's a good selection of bags. There's, an everyday driver, which I think the Clementine is fantastic for that. It has a top handle and it has a crossbody strap. But then I really fell for their little barrel bag, the Romy, and then I also fell for their little shoulder bag, the Clara. And so yeah, that's what I'll be unboxing today. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so here I have my bag, or my box that my two new bags came in. It's the same box that my Clementine came in. I think it's the exact same size. It's pretty dirty, so I'm not gonna hold it for too long. But inside, I'll show you how the two bags arrived, which I was very curious as to how they were gonna package them, because the Clementine fits so perfectly into the box the first time. So this is how they arrived. And I've repackaged them exactly as they arrived. They were in here, no stuffing, but actually they weren't moving around a lot in here, so that's good. And it comes with one card with a bit of care instructions. It also is very nice because it says who has packaged your package today, and it's Amy in this case. I think it might have been Amy for my other one as well, actually, for my Clementine. So the first bag here, you can see it's a smaller bag. It comes in the dust bag. And then here is the other one, which is more of a small to mid-sized bag. So I'm gonna put this box down. This is actually pretty much how my Clementine came packaged, in the box, in the dust bag. And then I can already feel that this one is packaged similarly to the Clementine. So we'll start here. This is going to be the Romy bag. You can try and guess what color I got it in. Just as a note, the cotton dust bag is a drawstring. It's very sturdy feeling. If I can pull it, oh, they're stuck together. Let's see if I can close it for you. Yeah, really nice, sturdy, durable dust bags, which I love. I'm very nitpicky about dust bags too, like the Coach ones lately, the satiny polyester ones I'm not a huge fan of. So I love a cotton one. Okay, and then you'll see it comes in this little cardboard, and you'll see this is a little barrel style, which I completely fell in love with. I never thought that I would get a barrel bag, but the Romy just stole my heart, and once I knew that I loved the leather of the Clementine, I couldn't go back. So you'll see it has a little strap going down the side. I'll take all of this off in a moment, and then a buckle over here. Has silver hardware. This comes in black, and then it just came out in the oat as well. And my sister actually put me on to barrel bags. She's so stylish, and she goes after all kinds of cool stuff that maybe isn't as classic as I usually go after. But she showed me a barrel bag probably a year ago, and I was like, ooh, that is really intriguing. And I nearly bought a vintage Celine barrel bag, but talked myself out of it. I was like, oh, how much am I really gonna fit in there? But more recently, I've been trying to go out more, do more social things, and I've been really into smaller bags. And so I feel like this is actually gonna get quite a bit of use. And I'm thinking of using this when I use my tote bag. I'm definitely a tote bag girly. So I like having my purse or the things I need, my essentials, separate from my tote bag that would have my journals and my books and writing utensils and stuff like that. So we'll see if I use it in that way as well. And then of course this could fit into the tote bag if I needed my hands free. So all of the horse bags come with a little piece of leather. You can see the quality of it. And then it also comes with a little care tag. And so on the back of this one, it says this piece is designed to help carry and care for your most trusted items. For its collections, the horse chooses high quality leathers that acquire a distinct personal patina over time. For more information and product care, please see thehorse.com.au, and it has a little barcode on it. So very nice, concise. I like how minimal the packaging is, but also how protective it still is. And then on the actual strap, so you'll see it actually has a very long strap. Let's take all of this off. Ooh, okay. So it has this lovely little strap, and I'll buckle it over here, and maybe I'll leave it relatively long. Let's see. So it has the little buckle and then a little loop, and it is going to be curled up for some time, I imagine, but hopefully it'll soften up. And here we are. Here it is on the front. You can see the little horse logo. And I love this color. So that's always what I get nervous about with beigey, white, taupey colors. Are they going to be too warm? Are they going to be too pink? Are they going to be too gray? And I think this is a really nice neutral. It feels extremely neutral to me. And let's see if I can get all that. It's really well stuffed, which is fantastic. That's nice. They put it in two parts so that you don't destroy your bag trying to get it out. Okay, got the other piece out. And then you see inside, very simple. Looks like there's just a leather piece that says the horse in silver. That's really pretty. And yeah, it's lovely. It's so cute. I'll definitely do some mod shots, but so you can hold it, you know, like this as a shoulder bag. So just up here, and then you can adjust it if you really want it in your armpit. I think it can go even higher. And then I also love the idea of holding it like this, especially if I have another tote bag and I don't want them bumping up against each other. And you can also use it like this as a little vertical bag, which I think is so chic. And also it gives it, not to like gender bags, because I definitely don't think you need to be gendering bags, but it gives it more versatility, especially for men who want to wear it. I feel like I see a lot of men wearing things a little bit more like this that, I don't know, aren't so traditional, like shoulder under the armpit kind of style. So yeah, I love this. It almost reminds me of like a pencil case from my childhood, but way more chic. So that is the Romy bag. That's the first one. I'll include lots of mod shots. I just really love how they emboss. I think that looks really pretty and elegant and simple. Gorgeous. And the stitching is very well done across the bag. Just really nicely made. And this one, it smells like leather. No chemical smell. It smells, yeah, it smells great. The leather smell isn't as strong as my clementine though. I am noticing that. Maybe because it's less leather. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it actually smells much more leathery inside, which kind of makes sense. That's where the unexposed, untreated leather will be under the lining. So yeah, it smells nice. Very nice. Okay, that's the itty bitty Romy bag. I probably won't do a what fits in this because that'll make this video extremely long, but maybe I'll do a separate one if you're interested to see exactly what can fit in there. Very quickly though, let's just make sure my phone can fit in there. So I have my phone here. I have the iPhone 16 Max, but not the Pro, and it fits very easily. It's just fine in there. So at least my phone fits. Definitely my mini wallet, some lip gloss, some keys. The essentials will definitely fit in here. All right, let's move on to the Clara bag. The Clara bag, it comes very similarly packaged, except I don't think, yep, I don't feel the cardboard protector. So let me actually move some of this stuff over, some of the packaging I have here from the Romy, and then let's pull her out. Okay, and I got her in the brown color. So this one came, I did open this already, and it didn't come with the cardboard. I didn't fully unbox it, but just to make sure I got the right color and everything. And so it just came with this. And then here she is, the Romy, the horse there. And I love this trapezoidal shape, but it still has a pretty decent width. And I've watched one other review of this bag, actually two. I think there's only two that I've seen. And they both commented on how surprisingly large, like how much they can fit in it for what looks like a very small shoulder bag. So that was encouraging for me because I feel this can be versatile as both an everyday bag and then also an evening bag. It's still small enough where I would wear this as an evening bag. Similar or same as the Romy and the Clementine. It has the piece of leather. And then we also have the horse tag with the same care instructions and then the barcode specifically for this bag. The dust bag is larger. So I like that they have custom sizes for each of their bags. That's really nice. Not just having your tiny bags swimming in large dust bags. And then let's see, let's open up. I hate this material. I know that it protects your bag, but I hope there's something less plasticky, styrofoamy that is invented soon. Maybe the cornstarch stuff that they use as packing materials. Anyway, that's an aside. But here we are. Okay, so this is the chocolate brown, or I think they might call it coffee. It has black glazing, so you'll see it's actually a black contrast, and then the silver hardware, which maybe it will focus for you. It's a shiny silver, very pretty. I am definitely a gold hardware person, but because this is so minimal, I actually think for this one, the silver goes really well. I don't think I would like it with gold just because of the tone of this like oak color. But for this one, it's so little. It's literally just the zipper, which is not really something you see. And then it's this buckle and the pull tab. So, and it's not the entire pull tab, it's just that hardware there. So lovely. I like here that it has a nice little pull tab, so when you're opening the bag, you have something to hold on to if you need to. Great, and the zipper is very smooth. I also just noticed that on this side, it's on the front, the strap is connected on the front of the bag, and then this is on the back, so there's a little bit of a like crisscross, which will hopefully mean that when you wear the bag, it's not going to drag on one side, so that's very thoughtfully designed. It's not like the strap is just on one side of the bag, and then when you open it, it's gonna flop open. Kind of distributes a little bit more evenly. Okay, and then let's unstuff her. So again, really well stuffed. I love that they stuff their bag so beautifully, so they don't come to you like dented or collapsed. So one piece here, another piece here, and it looks like it's all paper. There is a random plastic bag in here. I'm not sure what that is for. Micro pack enhancement sheets. I don't know if that's some kind of new thing for keeping things dry, but here we go. Let's move the strap out of the way. And oh wow, she opens really wide, I guess because she zips all the way down the sides. Can open really, really wide. That's fantastic. And has the center zipper compartment here. And then no like side flap pocket. So that's the one like smaller pocket in the bag. Let's see if there's anything in there. It's pretty stiff too. Actually, it's very stiff. Let's take off a little more protection. They really care about like how things arrive, which I super appreciate. All the details. So this center compartment is very, very structured. Oh, it feels, yeah, it's very structured. I love that. I guess it's adding a little bit of additional like infrastructure to the bag itself. And then I'm noticing that it's not sewn to the bottom. So if you do keep things in the bottom of your bag, they could actually slide back and forth between the compartments. Something small like a lip gloss or something can kind of slide underneath. Maybe not a lip gloss, probably like a credit card. Lip gloss is a little big. But yeah, it's not sewn to the bottom completely, so that's interesting. And actually I kind of like that just so that it's a little bit easier to clean too and find things in your bag. And you have a little bit of flexibility, like if you wanted to lay your phone flat on there, you could potentially do that. Maybe it's not wide enough, but you know. What else do I like or not like? This is totally me exploring the bag for the first time too, so it's interesting. I'm definitely going to do a what fits for this one because, you know, I don't have a lot of bags with internal organization. I have a few, and I do actually really love them, but this is a much smaller bag. The ones that I'm thinking of, like my Hedda from Flattered, also a chocolate brown bag with a little bit of silver. Apparently this is a theme for me, a little bit of silver hardware. That one has quite a bit of organization, but it's a much bigger bag. It can fit my iPad, it can fit books. So I love the organization in it. I don't have to put an organizer in it to make it functional for me. So I'll see what it's like for this little bag, and then let's see what she looks like on. Oh, I love her. Okay, definitely we'll do some more mod shots. Can wear it like this, can have it right under the armpit, doesn't feel bulky at all. And then of course, this is also adjustable, so I could make it a little bit longer if I'd like, still definitely a shoulder bag length. But I actually think I want it armpit style. I might lower it a little and see how I like it. But yeah, definitely not disappointed, that's for sure. Actually, I'll put this on the lowest setting and see just how long it gets. Oh, okay, that's actually really nice too, huh? It's pretty comfortable. So if you don't like an armpit bag, you definitely have that option. That's really nice. Interesting. I think I do still want it a little bit higher, so for the mod shots, I'll do something in the middle, so you can see a few different lengths of the strap. Again, this one also doesn't have a bad smell. I've seen a couple of reviews online where someone's unboxed their Hedda, or no, I'm thinking my other bag, their Clementine bag from the horse, and it has a really chemical-y smell. And then I I saw a little bit more like the details, and like people, one of them was someone who had a pre-order, and the pre-order kept getting delayed, and it kind of leads me to believe that maybe the pre-order wasn't fully ready, but they were rushing to get it out, so all of the like dye hadn't like fully cured, obviously, so they sent unfinished bags basically with a really strong chemical smell out into the world, which is terrible. But I get it, like you're rushing to get people their orders. But these don't, hopefully they learn from that. These don't smell at all like chemical to me. They smell like leather, which is great. So I love that leather smell. Yeah, actually the inside of this one smells really good. Oh, okay. I love it. Okay, this one smells fantastic. Hopefully they're doing smell quality control now. But super gorgeous. So this is Clara. This is Romy. Totally not on my bingo card for purchasing this year. But when you fall for it, you fall for it. And yeah, I just love them. They're so beautiful. I know I'll wear them a lot, especially in the spring. This one, I don't have any white bags or like very light colored bags. I have like one tan one, I think. So yeah, and I actually decluttered a purse that I haven't been wearing. It was my Celine, it was a brown Celine clutch that I was planning on adding a chain strap to make it more of a like shoulder bag, and I just wasn't, it was too narrow, I think. I wasn't motivated, and it felt a little too posh for me, but this feels much more my vibe. It's very architectural, it's very minimal, and it's very soft leather, and it's also not going to feel so precious or too dressed up. I think I can dress it up, dress it down very, very easily. So I think this was a much better purchase for me. Anyway, super excited to style these. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I am such a handbag crazy lady, but hopefully you get something out of these too, and it helps you make better decisions about what to add to your wardrobe and what not to and all of that. If you have any questions about these bags, I'll try to answer them, and maybe I'll follow up if you're interested. Let me know if you want to see what fits in my bag and for which bag, so I can prioritize that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.